In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Smartsheet with Microsoft Excel. We'll walk through both sides of the process. First, how to import an Excel file into Smartsheet, and then how to export an existing Smartsheet back into an Excel file. This is useful when you want to move spreadsheet data into Smartsheet for collaboration, or when you need to share Smartsheet data in a familiar Excel format. To begin, log into your Smartsheet account. Once you're signed in and looking at your home screen or workspace, go to the top right corner and click the Create button. Smartsheet will ask where you want the new sheet to be created, so choose the location where you want your imported Excel file to live. After that, hover over Import and then select Microsoft Excel. A pop-up window will appear. Click Select and your computer's file browser will open. From there, locate the Excel file you want to bring into Smartsheet, select it, and then click Open, or simply press Enter on your keyboard. Once you do that, the file browser will close and you'll return to Smartsheet. Click Continue to move to the next stage of the import process. At this point, the import settings will reload and give you a few options to review before completing the integration. You can edit the sheet name if needed, choose which row should be treated as the column header row, and select which column should be used as the primary column. That primary column is especially important in Smartsheet because it acts as the main identifying column for your rows. If your Excel file contains formulas and you want to preserve them during import, make sure to check the option to include formulas on import. Once everything looks right, click Import. Smartsheet will then create the sheet based on your Excel file. Depending on the size of the file, this may take a moment, so give it a few seconds to finish loading. Now let's look at the reverse process. If you want to export an existing Smartsheet as an Excel file, open the sheet you want to export and wait for it to fully load. If the sheet is currently in table view, switch it to grid view first, since that's the view you'll need for this export option. Once grid view has loaded, click File at the top of the sheet, hover over Export, and then choose Export to Microsoft Excel. That will generate an Excel version of your Smartsheet, so you can save it and use it outside the platform. And that's it. You now know how to import an Excel file into Smartsheet and how to export a Smartsheet back to Microsoft Excel.